G'day and welcome back again to the garden. Now we're down in the other corner, right down here on my little mango tree. And you know why I'm so excited about this one? Because this is a mango tree that I planted from the seed. You can see here. I must say, actually, before I start, that this mango, when I moved to Australia from Denmark, where I've been living for about 30 years, the first fruit I had when I arrived was a mango, and I kept the seed. And I planted the seed in a little pot, and it came up, and I looked after it, and that's that one. From the seed. You can see here. I put this cover on here because the birds have found it as well. And you can see, remember I pulled this branch down on an earlier video to try and hold the mango tree down. But look how much the mango tree is actually holding itself down now. Oh, I came out the other day and was looking at my beautiful mangoes. And I noticed that a bird had found it. It might have been the bowerbird, it might have been the bush turkey, because I still haven't managed to get the bush turkey totally out of my garden. So I started bagging these. Well, not bagging, I put some of this shade cloth around them. And I did a couple of the little clusters, and then I decided to put a net around the whole tree. And look, I love how it's just not touching the ground. The mango tree can kind of figure out itself how many mangoes to have on it, so it's not laying on the ground. That's pretty smart. Pretty smart little mango tree. Look how much it's hanging down. When I initially put the string on it to hold the branches down, that's how high it was. And I was thinking, oh no, I hope I don't break the branches. I won't take it any lower. But look how low it can come naturally. Almost till it touches the ground. It's way here. When I pulled it down to that level. But now the mangoes themselves are pulling it all the way down, and it's not just touching the ground. I came out here a few months ago and there was flowers all over the mango tree. Every little shoot had a flower, and after a few weeks every flower had a little tiny mango. There was hundreds and hundreds of these little tiny mangoes. The thing is that I think is most amazing is this little mango tree can figure out for itself how many mangoes it can bear. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 mangoes. My first mango tree is going to give me 17 mangoes. I hope I get all of them. I'm going to put the net back on, but before I do, I'm thinking maybe there was not much point of putting this string on, because it looks like the mango tree is smarter than I thought it was. So I don't need to train it down. It trains itself down when it gets mangoes on it. See? So I'm going to pull out all these strings. I've got a melon here underneath here as well, in the shade. And it does have one watermelon on it. So I'm going to have watermelon and mango fruit salad just from this little couple of square meters. I'll just take these off because I've got something to show you. Let's go. Like that. So we'll cover the mango tree up again with that little net here, so the bush turkey doesn't get in, so the bird doesn't get in, and I'll let them sit here for another couple of weeks. But when I do harvest them, you know, the best place to eat a mango is, and then when it is ready, the best place and the best way to eat a mango is this is where you have to have a mango. When you eat a mango, you've got to eat it in the creek. Okay, so I'm going to go down here, find a nice little spot where I can eat my mango. Woo! It's raining here. That doesn't matter because I'm wet anyway. So this is where you eat the mango. And this time I'm going to eat it like a gorilla without a knife. So basically just bust the skin open and open it up like that. See? Bust it open. That's nice. It's pure joy. And you know why you're in the creek? Because you can just wash your face like that. See? All ready to go again. Plus, I'm going to take the seed and I'm going to plant that in another little pot so I can get another little mango tree growing up in the Weedy garden. Oh, okay, yes. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed doing this video. Swimming in the creek down here. I'm just going to go back with my mango skin and I'll meet you back up in the Weedy garden on the next episode, okay? See ya.